everyone. You're watching 5 new English words every day. Can you guess where I'm going? Come on, follow me. We're here. Today's 5 new English words topic is all about animals you'll find on the farm. On farms, you'll find grass and rice fields, you'll find lakes, gardens, and even a fence all around the outside. Farms are used to raise animals and to grow crops. On the farm, there are many different animals, including cows, chickens, pigs, ducks, and buffalo. And these are all the words that we're going to learn today in 5 new English words. Moo! Do you know what animal makes this sound? Look, there's a herd of cows in a field.
Cow, chicken, pig, duck, buffalo. Cow.
The first word is cow. Cow. Ka. Ow. Ka. Ow. Cow. Cows have big bodies and short fur. A milk cow. Milk cows have black and white spots all over their bodies. Look, there's some cows eating grass in a field. Farmers raise cows for their meat and their milk. Milk that we drink these days usually comes from a milk cow. It's so yummy and really healthy too.
Cow.
Cow. C-O-W. Cow. Cow. Ka. Ow. Ka. Ow. Cow. The second word, chicken. Chicken. Cha. Kin. Cha. Kin. Chicken. Baby chickens are called chicks. They have soft yellow feathers, and when they run, they bob their heads like this. Male chickens are called cocks. Early in the morning, they crow like this. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Female chickens are called hens. Hens give us eggs and make a clucking noise like this. Cluck, cluck, cluck.
Chicken.
C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. Chicken. Cha. Kin. Cha. Kin. Chicken. The third word is pig. Pig. Pa. Ga. Pa. Ga. Pig. Baby pigs are called piglets. They make a noise like this. Oink, oink, oink. Pigs have a squished nose, a big tummy, and a curly tail. Oh, when we save money, where do we put it to keep it safe? A piggy bank. Piggy banks are what we use to keep all sorts of secret things nice and safe. Let's see how much money I've saved this month. Oh, I haven't saved any.
P-I-G, pig.
P-I-G. Pig. Pig. Pa-I-G. Pa-I-G. Pig. The fourth word is duck. Duck. Duh. Duh, duh, duh. Duck. Oh! Ducks swim beautifully through the water and make a sound like this. Quack, quack, quack. Ducks' beaks are flatter and longer than chickens. Ducks' feet are webbed so they can swim really fast through the water. Oh, look! It's our American feathered friend, Donald Duck. Hello, Donald Duck. Say hello, everybody.
Duck.
Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. 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 Duck, duck, duck. Duck. And the fifth word is buffalo. Buffalo. Ba-fa-lo. Ba-fa-lo. Buffalo. A buffalo looks like a cow, but its horns are big and curly. Buffaloes are really strong, and they help pull heavy machinery in the fields for the farmers. Buffaloes usually live for about 24 years, and their favourite food is grass.
B-U-F-F-A-L-O.
Buffalo. B-U-F-F-A-L-O. Buffalo. Buffalo. Ba-fa-lo. Ba-fa-lo. Buffalo. Today, we visited the farm, right? Do you remember your 5 new English words? Let's try and remember. Cow, chicken, pig, duck, and buffalo. After going back to the noisy city, I bet you're going to miss being on the farm, right? I know I am. It's so peaceful and beautiful. Anyway, that's it for another episode. Remember to review your 5 new English words.